Want to convert PDF to Excel accurately and in just seconds? Well, check this out. Meet Lido, the smartest PDF to Excel converter out there. It's super precise and super easy to use. So let's get stuck in. So what actually is Lido? Lido is an AI-powered spreadsheet tool which reads your PDFs and then auto-generates relevant rows and columns for your data, whether it's invoices, receipts, or reports. So here I've opened a brand new file in Lido, which by the way looks just like an Excel sheet. And I'm ready to turn this example PDF into usable Excel data. Here's how easy it is. Click the big green extract data button at the top left. Choose click to upload and select your PDF file. Now watch Lido's super smart OCR get to work and instantly analyze your PDF. You'll then see this neat screen pop up with a few options. We'll get to those in a sec, but if speed is your thing, just hit extract and you're good to go. Now, for those of you who'd like to customize your data and more, let's go back and take another look at that neat screen in more detail. First up, Lido is intelligent enough to read our PDFs and determine which columns are required. As you can see on our example PDF, we have description, quantity, unit price, and total, which are all now mirrored on our sheet. However, if you'd like to customize your columns, all you need to do is type your column name in here and press enter to add, or simply hit delete to remove, and your sheet will update in real time. For even more control, Lido lets you add custom instructions using natural language, like only include totals above $200. Just type your request in the extra instructions box, hit extract, and Lido's intelligent AI will instantly deliver a spreadsheet tailored to your needs. It's like having your own assistant, smart, clear, and flexible. Another time-saving feature is having the extract multiple rows per document option enabled. This tells Lido to extract your data row by row so that every product or service, etc. gets its own spreadsheet row. And then, of course, once you're ready, just hit this button, and just like that, Lido will generate an XLSX file for you to import directly into Excel. So if you'd like what you've seen and want to give Lido a go, there's a link in the video description where you can start your free trial. Lido have partnered with me for this video because I'm generally a fan of their platform. In my experience, it's the best tool out there for this kind of task, especially in terms of ease of use, flexibility, and accuracy. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.